Hello guys, today I want to show you how to implement machine learning set mlagents to your Unity game or project. This toolkit allows you to create and learn artificial intelligent agents such as heroes or enemies in your games. Don't be scary. This is very friendly and well documented package. First of all, if you work under Windows, you need to download Anaconda. Anaconda includes Python and many others useful programs and toolkits such as Jupyter Notebook, TensorFlow, NumPy, and others. Anaconda is free and you can download it from official website. Link to it I have left under this video. So let's download Anaconda. Remember that the version of Anaconda depends on your operating system version. I choose 64-bit Windows graphic installer. So let's skip some time while I download it. So after download finish, you must install Anaconda such as usual Windows program. Double click on exe file and you will see Anaconda setup window. Click Next button, read and agree with license, choose installation for current user or all machine users, choose destination folder and then click Install. I don't start install because Anaconda is currently installed on my computer. After setup complete, start Anaconda prompt using Windows Start button. Then you must create conda environment using the following command. Remember that all command line commands I will leave under this video and you can copy and paste it. So copy, paste and click enter. After you click enter, you may be asked to install new packages. Just type Y and press enter. After the command complete, you must enter second command to activate created environment. So just copy and paste on, then click enter. Remember that the mlagent toolkit is based on the TensorFlow library, and you must download and install it using the last command. Here it is, copy and paste, then click enter. After all, you must copy git mlagents project. You can do it using git utility. Just copy this command to your command prompt and click enter. Or you can copy mlagents project manually. So open the link under this video and go to this site. In this git site you must click clone on download and click download zip. Then save this zip file where you want and click save. After download of this file complete, you must unpack this zip file to preferred location on your hard drive. After this, return back to the Anaconda prompt and enter next command. This command is number 5. Here it is, just copy and paste on, then click enter. This command will complete the installation of the all required Python package to run mlagent toolkit. So let's go to the last part of our work. Run Unity or Unity Hub and then click Open button. Select mlagent master folder and double click on Unity SDK folder. So click Choose Path and import mlagent project to your Unity space. After import complete, open it. Just wait a little bit. And receive my congratulations. You are ready to develop artificial intelligent games and project. In next video I will show you how to create and learn our first machine learning agent using this project. Subscribe to our channel if you like this video and thank you for watching. Good luck!